In Batulsisum of Urhanga Amek, there lies the waterfall with the largest volume in Mongolia, Ulaan Tsutgalan Waterfall. Located about 30 kilometers from the Sum center, the waterfall falls from a height of 24 meters with a width of about 10 meters. The Orkhon River flows through 130 kilometers of volcanic rocks from the Getrur Range to Harhar Sum. During the Quaternary period, a volcanic eruption took place near the source of Tsarang Adzrok River that is sourced from the Hanga Range, flowing down the Orkhon Valley and creating thick layers of volcanic rock stretching out for several dozens of kilometers. It was through these layers of volcanic rock that the Orkhon River continuously flowed throughout the years, creating the gorge today. While the Arsa waterfall, located in Hurtelsertek, Hoskell Amek, is considered as the highest waterfall for falling from a height of 70 meters, the Ulaan Tsutgalan waterfall is considered as the biggest for its width and volume of water.